Why don't planes fall from the sky? Imagine carrying a car that weighs 2 tons, then trying to throw it into the sky.
Impossible, isn't it? So how can a metal object weighing hundreds of tons stay suspended in the air for hours? Are the engines the secret? The surprise? No. Chapter 1. The biggest myth we believe. Most people think the engines are what lift the plane. That's wrong.
If you suddenly cut the engines, the plane won't fall right away. It will keep gliding for distances that can reach tens of kilometers. So the engines don't lift the plane. Then what does?
Chapter 2. Air, the real hero. We can't see air, so we forget it exists. But air is matter, with mass. And it can be pushed.
When the plane moves at high speed, millions of air molecules strike its wings every second. And this is where the magic begins. Chapter 3. The wing isn't flat. If you look at a plane's wing from the side, you'll notice it isn't level. It's curved on top and flatter on the bottom. This shape makes the air pass differently. Part of it travels over the wing and part beneath it. This creates a difference in pressure. The pressure beneath the wing becomes greater than the pressure above it.
It's as if the air itself is pushing the plane upward. This force is called lift. Chapter 4. Why does a plane need speed? If the plane were standing still, there wouldn't be enough airflow over the wing, so there would be no lift. That's why you see it speed up on the runway. Not because it wants to fly, but because it needs to create enough air beneath the wings.
Chapter 5. So what do the engines actually do? Now comes the important question. If the wings are what lift the plane, why do we even need engines? The answer is simple. Engines don't lift. They push the plane forward. And as speed increases, airflow increases and lift increases. In other words, the engine creates the conditions that let the wing do its job. Take a sheet of paper. Hold it just below your lips. Then blow across the top. What happened? The paper rose. Even though you blew downward, the pressure above the paper dropped compared to the pressure below it, so it rose. It's an idea close to how lift is generated around a wing, though the aerodynamics around an aircraft wing are far more complex than this simple experiment. Next time you see a plane, remember, it isn't the engines carrying it, it's the air.